Today I'm going to explain why I did some recommendations in my part 1 video. There were some questions people asked, and I tried to explain why. And also today, it just happened that I'm working on my Gen 9 boat and have everything all laid out. So I said to myself, maybe I should give a try trying to fuse 4mm Coroplast sheets together, see how it goes. It turned out it's very successful, and it is so much easier than I have expected, and it's strong, as I have expected to. And I will show you why I did that process. I also will show you how my Gen 9 boat looks like. Still work in progress, and I hope to finish it tomorrow. And then tomorrow will be Thursday, and by Friday I want to water test it, if I can get done tomorrow.
The question is it difficult to fold the Coroplast perpendicular to the direction of the channel on the Coroplast? There may be a need to fold the Coroplast into a smaller size so that it can be stuffed inside a car, and it has to be done at Home Depot. This is a 4mm thick Coroplast. Doing a fold line on 4mm is very easy. You don't even need to apply heat. As you can see here, you just push down onto the Coroplast and create a line, and then you can use hand to fold it. And you can do this at Home Depot in order to get the sheet smaller so you can bring it home. But with 5 or 6mm, you really need heat. This fold line is perpendicular to the channel, and if you do the fold line in the same direction of the channel, it can be folded very easily. This is the very first time I've tried to apply heat to a 4mm sheet of Coroplast. I know if I set to max, it will be just too hot. I've been very careful trying to have the nozzle further away from the Coroplast. Similar to welding, I try to have the top sheet stick to the bottom sheet and then go through the whole process of fusing them together. This is the first time I try this. Obviously, I haven't applied enough heat, so it came loose. I try again and have the nozzle closer to the Coroplast joint, and seeing the surface started to melt, then I press it together, and this time it works. These two sheets are overlapped by about 2 inches. I placed the wood piece there, just trying to control the spreading of the heat. I start shooting hot air and watch the surface start to melt. And I apply force so the Coroplast sheet is bending gradually as I press down. And I have to apply even pressure so that 2 sheets will be pressed together without collapsing the edge. If I tape 2 pieces together, when I pull it, I can feel there's some gives. But in this case, it's so solid. Then I try to peel it apart, and I can see they are fused together, and actually the surface is being torn apart. Let's examine the joint. The top side looks good because I have a piece of wood protect the surface, so it doesn't cause much damage by heat. But on the back side, because there was no way to control the spreading of the heat, therefore the bottom side is not as good. If you use a 12 inches overlapping, then you will not see this problem because this will be trapped within the inner layer of the joint.
"41 inches. "29. pen. Thanks for watching today's video, and if you find this useful, interesting, tell your friends about it and subscribe to my channel. Somewhere here I'm motivated to do more posts, and more videos will be coming out too. See you again. Bye.